The Nothing Phone has absolutely taken the internet by storm.
The Nothing Phone.
The Nothing Phone 1.
The Nothing Phone.
This is the new Nothing Phone 1.
But is the hype justified? People have been obsessed with the idea of transparent devices for years. From dbrand skins to scratching the paint off of back glass of certain devices. People are yearning for a more unique and edgy look for their smartphones. Hardware upgrades haven't been making a notable difference to the average user, so they're now looking to aesthetics. The Nothing Phone seems to offer just that. Bringing an extremely unique design to the market, this phone has a real wow factor. It feels and looks like a premium device without the premium price tag. Here are some of my favorite things about this phone and some things I'd rather they just didn't have. Starting at number 1, the Android version of this phone is extremely clean without any bloatware. The Nothing font adds a clean and distinct look to this device. Overall, a good experience. Number 2, the wide-angle camera is very grainy and something I would avoid using if this was my main driver. It is to be expected though, given the price range of this phone. Number 3, the attention to detail on this device makes it feel that much more premium. With phones, it really is the little things that count, and this phone really takes that into consideration. Number 4, there's this wonderful feature called music visualization that Nothing has decided to hide for whatever reason. Easter eggs are always cool, but the glyphs are one of the main selling points of this device. It's better not to hide such a cool feature. And at number 5, this is quite weird. You can't choose different glyph animations for different app notifications. Although this is a small detail, it would make a pretty big difference. I think Nothing will probably add this feature in the near future. Number 6, as someone who loves iPhones, this device gives me a near iPhone feel with the extended freedom Android OS has to offer. That's a big plus. At number 7, the IP53 water resistance just wouldn't be enough for me personally. I use my phone in all sorts of scenarios and this would have me in a constant state of worry. Number 8, music visualization. I know I said hiding this feature is a negative aspect, but the feature itself is actually really cool. While the speakers on this phone are decent, turning this feature on definitely makes your phone stand out, especially at night. Playing anything on the speakers with this feature enabled syncs the glyphs with your speakers, creating a stunning light show. Very cool feature. It's overall a great mid-range phone with exquisite looks, which would definitely intrigue anyone who hasn't seen the device before. There isn't really any department where the phone lacks, but the same could be said in the inverse. Of course, if the phone wasn't so stunning on the outside, this review would have been completely different. But I'm extremely curious as to whether Nothing will be offering repairs for this phone and what iFixit rates this phone in its repairability score. This phone generally has a thumbs up from me. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this one. This was probably my first phone review, so if you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.